The complete guide to dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is an investing strategy where investors buy into an asset, for example, stocks or crypto, in equal amounts at predetermined intervals. For example, instead of investing $12,000 once a year into Bitcoin, potentially at the highest or lowest market price that year, you can instead invest $1,000 every month, therefore averaging out your purchase price or cost basis, therefore buying both the highest and lowest market prices that year. Simply said, with dollar cost average, you invest your money in equal portions, for example, $5, at regular intervals, for example, daily, regardless of the ups and downs in the market, and eliminating the need for timing the market tops and bottoms. So here's a dollar cost averaging example. Starting 4 years ago, I bought $5 worth of Bitcoin every day. I spent a total of $7,305 and now own a total of 0.7287 BTC. Dollar cost averaging works because it removes emotions from investing. I simply buy Bitcoin every day automatically with an app. Dollar cost averaging is the perfect strategy for volatile markets and investors with a buy and hold strategy, i.e. Bitcoin. So instead of buying a coffee every day for $5, you can automatically buy $5 worth of Bitcoin. Take my example. By automatically dollar cost averaging $5 purchases of Bitcoin daily, the past 4 years, I have accumulated nearly an entire Bitcoin. Now, with the supply of only 21 million Bitcoin ever, the supply-demand math alone gets Bitcoin to 10 million plus per coin by the 2030s. This is not financial advice, but I have everyone I know dollar cost averaging a fraction of a Bitcoin daily. Owning even 0.1 Bitcoin could be worth $1 million someday. So, how do you automatically dollar cost average into Bitcoin? Well, there's an app for that. On your mobile device, open the web browser and navigate to coursenvy.com/strike. By using our referral link, coursenvy.com/strike, which includes our referral code, you will get a free $10 deposited in your Strike app. The Strike app allows users to send and receive money anywhere, instantly with no added fees. You can buy, sell, send, receive US dollars and Bitcoin in the Strike app. Now let's use your $10 in the Strike app to make your first Bitcoin purchase via dollar cost averaging. So once you install the Strike app on your mobile device, open the app up. You'll be prompted to create a Strike account with your email, input our referral code for your free $10, and set your Strike account username. This is how you can send and receive funds, similar to Venmo. So pro tip, make your username easy to spell. I used my Twitter username for easy name recognition for my followers. So for example, if you love this free tutorial, feel free to send us a tip on Strike. So on your Strike profile page, that is the person icon in the bottom right corner of the app, click the direct deposit option on this page. So if you really want to go all in on Bitcoin, you can change your Paycheck deposit so you get paid in Bitcoin. On this direct deposit page, simply copy that routing and account number and bank name and share it with your employer's payroll manager. Then at the bottom of this page, click the Pay Me in Bitcoin option to set what percentage of your paycheck direct deposit you want in USD and in Bitcoin. The default is 100% Bitcoin. Next, also on our Strike profile page, select the Payment Methods option so we can add payment methods. On this Payment Methods page, click the Add Method button. In this pop-up, you can select bank account or debit card. Both have no deposit fees, so select whichever you prefer and input your payment method information. Strike focuses on security first and follows all the same security protocols for your funds as big commercial banks do. Plus, users can also enable two-factor authentication in order to add an extra layer of protection to their Strike accounts. So now that we have our payment method added, back on our Strike profile page, click that deposit button. On the deposit page, select your payment method that you just added to deposit money into your Strike account. Type in the amount of money you want to deposit into your Strike account, then click the deposit button. On the confirm deposit page, click the confirm button. Next, on the Strike account activity page, you can view the deposit confirmation and your past Bitcoin purchase history. On the Bitcoin page, you can view the current Bitcoin price and the total amount of Bitcoin you own. So on this Bitcoin page, click that Buy button. On the Buy Bitcoin page, click Purchase Frequency option. The default is one-time purchase. In the Select Frequency drop-down menu, select Daily. Now we're back on the Buy Bitcoin page. Daily is selected for the purchase frequency. Type in the amount to purchase daily automatically. We'll choose $5. Click the Next button and confirm your daily Bitcoin purchase. This is dollar cost averaging. Investing your money in equal portions, $5, at regular intervals, daily. So on the Bitcoin page, you can see your recurring purchase. Simply click that daily purchase option to remove or delete that recurring purchase. In order to create a new recurring purchase amount, just repeat the buy button process with a new daily purchase amount. This will automatically replace the old daily purchase amount. As you can see, we have since increased our dollar cost average from $5 to $35 per day worth of Bitcoin. Also on this Bitcoin page, you can click the send icon in the top right corner. We advise storing Bitcoin for the long term on a cold storage device or hardware wallet. You can learn how to set up and send and receive Bitcoin with a hardware wallet at coursenvy.com/Bitcoin-wallet. Start dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin today. Navigate to coursenvy.com/strike on your mobile phone and make sure to claim our free $10 in your Strike app.